Hi, in this video, let me show you how you can use your Bose Solo or Bose TV speaker without a remote control. So this is a replacement remote control, by the way. If you need one, I'll put a link in the description towards Amazon. It's much cheaper than getting the one that says Bose on it. But let's pretend I don't even have this one. So this soundbar, as you probably noticed, doesn't have any buttons, not even an on-off button. And this could be very frustrating if you don't have the remote. I'll show you how you can connect it to a TV and to get the sound out of your TV on your soundbar while still being able to turn it on and off and controlling the volume. So let's get started. So for this to work, you will need an HDMI cable. If you have an optical cable, you can still connect it to your TV. Unfortunately, you won't be able to adjust the volume, so yeah, that's not great. So take your HDMI cable, go on the back of your device and connect it in the HDMI port that is on the side, on the back, on the side over here. Now the important part is to connect the other end of this HDMI cable in the HDMI port on the back of your TV that says ARC or EARC. In my case, it's HDMI 2, but in your case, could be HDMI 1, 3, or even 4. What this means is that using ARC or EARC, the TV will be able to control the soundbar volume and also to turn it on and off. Very useful when you don't have a remote control. So here I have connected the soundbar, and now there may be another problem for you. These soundbars have a TV mode and a Bluetooth mode. If your soundbar is in Bluetooth mode and you want to put it in TV mode without a remote control, all you have to do, by the way, let me just put it in Bluetooth mode to simulate. Okay, let's say it's stuck. Okay, as you see, I have put it in Bluetooth mode. If I want to switch it to TV mode without remote, disconnect it from the power, wait around 10 seconds or even less, and connect it back to power. The soundbar will turn on and will turn on in TV mode. Here you go. At this point, take the remote control off your TV, go into the settings, into the audio settings, where it says sound out, and make sure you select HDMI ARC. Once you've done this, here we go. You can use your soundbar. The volume will be controlled using the TV remote control volume buttons. So every time I press up and down, you're going to see on your TV over here that I'm changing the volume, and at the same time is changing the volume on the soundbar. Very great. And if I turn off my TV with the TV remote control, okay, the soundbar will also turn off. And to turn back on the soundbar, well, I have turned on my TV, and you're gonna see a light over here. Here we go, the soundbar turned on. So basically you can use it without the remote control. What you're gonna lose and won't be accessible are a few different things that are not that important. For example, you won't have over here a Bluetooth button, so you won't be able to put it in Bluetooth mode without the remote. You won't be able to control the bass of the soundbar, and you'll not be able to put it in speech mode, which enhance the speech in your shows or whatever. Again, these are not very important if you simply want to use the soundbar with the television. If what I showed you now doesn't work, there's a few different things you can do on your TV, a few different settings you can change. Let me show you which one. Go back in your TV menu, in the audio menu. Here I'll select all settings, sound, advanced settings. Go down, and here where it says digital sound output, in my case PCM is selected and it works great for me, but in your case, try selecting other options that are available for you. Try auto and try pass through. There's a good chance by changing this setting, it will make the sound go from your TV to your soundbar. Also, if you go down, there's a good chance you're going to have EARC support. Make sure this is turned on as well. Another cool trick by using an HDMI cable is if I turn off my TV using my TV remote control, it will also turn off the soundbar automatically. And every time I turn back on my TV, the soundbar will power on and will output the sound without me having again to touch this remote control. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment down below if I can improve something in this tutorial or if you liked it.